How to send a hidden picture with spoiler filter on Telegram. This tutorial shows you how to send a photo that's blurred and hidden until the recipient chooses to reveal it on your Android device. First, open Telegram on your Android device and go into any chat. Tap the attachment icon to open your media options. Instead of tapping directly on the photo to expand it, tap the small circle at the top right corner of the image to select it directly. Once the photo is selected, tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. From the options that appear, tap Hide with Spoiler. This will apply a blur filter over the photo so the recipient won't be able to see what it is until they choose to tap and reveal it from here. From here, tap Send, and the photo will be delivered with the spoiler filter applied. Keep in mind, on the receiving end, the photo will appear as a blurred preview with a spoiler label over it. The recipient has to tap on it to reveal the image, giving them the choice of whether they want to see it or not before it's shown. And that's it. If this guide helped you send a spoiler photo on Telegram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.